Okay, we have a 2018 Ford F150 with the 3.3 engine, non-turbo. It's got the WWP from Amazon exhaust on it. See if I can prop this up. Do a little startup for you. All right, those were 2 revs to 3,500 RPMs. I started the truck from inside so you can hear what it sounds like. A little tone. So pretty mild. Definitely louder than the stock exhaust. Should have videoed that. Not happy with this one. I don't like the sound of it. It's a little too loud outside the truck for the customer. If you guys give me a little bit, I will change out the exhaust. We're going to change it over to MagnaFlow. Let's see. MagnaFlow 12589. I'll do the same sound test after. All right, and this is the MagnaFlow exhaust. Put that up. Start up. Well, we are about 6 feet away from the exhaust. All right, now let's do the interior. Turn it off, turn it back on. And start up. There's a difference.